Creating a survey in Mailchimp is a powerful way to engage with your audience and collect valuable feedback. If you're wondering how to create a Mailchimp survey, stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and I'll show you how to set up your own survey from start to finish in just a few steps. First things first, Mailchimp offers a completely free option for this, and you can start using this software for free through the link below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive right in. To begin, open your Mailchimp account and head to the Create button on the dashboard. Once you're there, click Create Survey under the Surveys section. This is the starting point where you'll build your entire survey. Next thing you need to do is choose the survey template. Mailchimp offers several pre-designed templates, or you can opt for a blank survey to start from scratch. Using a template can save time, but if you want full control over the look and feel of your survey, the blank option might be best. Once you've chosen your template or created a blank survey, you'll be taken to the survey editor. Here, you can customize the survey title and description. Make sure to keep your title clear and concise, and in your description, let your audience know exactly why you're asking for their input. This is where you can also set the tone of your survey to match your brand or the goal of the survey. The fourth thing is choosing the types of questions. Mailchimp allows you to add various question types, including multiple choice, text fields, and rating scales. For each question, you can write custom answers and configure options like whether or not the question is required. Make sure to tailor the questions to the feedback you're hoping to get. Now, it's time to customize the survey's look. Mailchimp lets you adjust colors, fonts, and images, so make sure to match your branding. A clean, professional design will make your survey more appealing and ensure higher response rates. You want your audience to feel comfortable answering, so keep it simple and user-friendly. The next thing to consider is how you want to distribute your survey. Mailchimp provides you with several options, including email campaigns, links, and even embedding the survey on your website. Choose the distribution method that makes the most sense for your audience. Once your survey is ready, the last step is testing. Before sending it out to your entire list, send a test survey to yourself. This will allow you to check the functionality of the questions, make sure the survey flows smoothly, and spot any potential issues before your audience sees it. Finally, after everything looks good, hit the Send or Publish button. Your survey is now live, and you can start collecting responses. Once the responses come in, you can analyze them directly within Mailchimp to gain valuable insights that will help improve your marketing strategy. And just a quick reminder, don't forget that you can get started with Mailchimp for free through the link below. Plus, when you sign up through this link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial that gives you even more features. That's it. Now you know exactly how to create a Mailchimp survey. I hope you found this helpful, and if you want to dive deeper into Mailchimp's features or need tips on getting the most out of your surveys, check out the links in the description.